Welcome to Nattys Crafts. I'm Natalie. I always do all the crafting. And today we're not going to do any crafting. I just wanted to step in and say Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, all of the holiday wishes, all of that. I am going to take a week or two off. Today's video, I think I'm going to do some sort of compilation, either of, again, the Christmas fails that you haven't seen yet, or my favorite crafts that I've done so far this year. I think I'll probably try to do the Christmas fails right now, and then next week I'll probably try to do a compilation of my favorites. So that's my somewhat plan. We'll see what happens. But again, I wish you the very best for you and yours. I sure hope that you can enjoy your family and your friends and whoever else means most to you. And just remember to always appreciate today, because tomorrow is never promised. Thanks, y'all. And here's what we'll need for this craft. We're gonna make a little Christmas tree decor using these fish scale trims from Hobby Lobby that I got on clearance. So we are making a tree, so we're gonna make a base for your tree. So I apologize for the camera. I don't know, it's on this autofocus. I don't know how to get it off of that. But anyway, we're gonna make a circle. So I'm just using the bottom of my little paint water can thing and making a circle to cut that out. And this is somewhat of a heavy-duty cardboard that I'm using. And then I am going to paint it because you will be able to see it. So I'm going to paint it a dark brown, similar to the way a Christmas tree trunk would look. And then once we've got that all painted, then I'm going to figure out how tall I want my Christmas tree. So just holding it up to that cardboard stand, I'm just creating the size I want, using my clippers to just cut down or trim down a dowel from Dollar Tree. These aren't the long barbecue skewers, but I think they are the other skewers from Dollar Tree. I think they're relatively thin, so they're not the regular like craft dowels, I don't believe. So I'm going to cut 4 of those so that I can have them one on each corner, basically, of the circle. Well, circles don't have corners, so that doesn't make sense. But you know what I'm saying. Get 4 of them and put them on there. That's what we're going to do. And I'm just going to hot glue it. So I'm just going to hot glue the bottom, and then I'm going to hot glue the top so that they stick together at the top. And then I'm going to go back and paint this as well, again, because you will most likely see it. So just getting that dark brown out again. And then I'm going to get the fish scales. So the fish scales are going to look like the tree limbs on a Christmas tree. So I'm just going to glue them to each of the 4 pegs or stands that I have there. So I'm just going to do this around the whole bottom, well, around the whole tree that I'm making. And I did cut each piece into its own piece so that I wasn't wrapping it all the way around. I was actually making one piece at a time. And I wish I would have left it black, but I didn't. I spray painted it white, and the spray paint did not take because it was foam. And that was it for that craft. I wasn't a fan of it, but it is sitting on my fireplace. And these are my kids. I don't have any actual children, so these are what I call my kids. My dog Lily and my cat Dart. And they appear to be killing each other, but they actually have quite a ball with each other, and they play quite often. So this is them. So enjoy. That was a vicious bite. But it was funny to me. So, and my dog is okay. She never gets hurt. So thank you so much for stopping by Nattys Crafts today. I sure do appreciate it. Sure hope you could give the video a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below and make sure to subscribe. Always hit the bell when you subscribe. And remember to appreciate today, as tomorrow is never promised. Thanks, y'all.